Welcome back to A3M Kitchen for Lovers. Today, we're cooking a biryani that will make your neighbors jealous and your family love you forever. A rich, aromatic, home-style mutton biryani made with simple ingredients but full of royal flavors. Let's dive in. Alright folks, here's the cast of our characters for today's flavor blockbuster. 1 kilogram of juicy mutton, the star of our show. 4 medium onions, thinly sliced, because biryani without fried onions is like cricket without sixes. 4 medium tomatoes, sliced, they are bringing the tang. 2 tablespoons each of freshly ground garlic and ginger. Trust me, fresh is the real deal. A small bunch of coriander leaves and a bunch of mint leaves. Fresh greens is equal to fresh vibes. 5 green chilies sliced and more if you like danger. Half a lemon, the little guy who balances all the flavor. 200 ml of curd for the creamy tang. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Don't worry, the curd will calm it down. Whole spices, 4 cardamoms, 1 star anise, 8 cloves, 1.5 inch of cinnamon stick, and 1 bay leaf, aka the Avengers of the aroma. 200 ml of cooking oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee, because good biryani is never shy of fats. Half a cup of saffron milk. Fancy, right? But that's the secret of the royal golden look. Salt to taste, the invisible hero. And finally, 1 kilogram of jeera rice soaked for about 30 minutes. Fluffy, fragrant, ready for action. Fun fact, did you know jeera rice has been a part of Indian kitchens for over 600 years? It's literally been soaking in history. Heat up 200 ml of cooking oil in a heavy bottomed vessel. Once hot, toss in the spice squad. 4 cardamoms, 1 star anise, 8 cloves, 1.5 inches of cinnamon, and 1 bay leaf. Let them sizzle like popcorn at a movie theater. Now add 4 sliced onions and 5 green chilies. Stir until onions go from pale to golden brown. Remember, brown onions is equal to sweet, caramelized flavor. Fun fact, did you know caramelizing onions actually break down natural sugars? Science never tasted so good. Now add 2 tablespoons of freshly ground garlic paste. Fry it well until the raw smell disappears, unless you want vampire production. Cook it out. Now sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, mix and saute until the raw bite is gone. This is where the base flavor magic begins. In goes 1 kilo of clean mutton. Give it a good massage with the masala so every piece feels loved. Cook on high flame for 5 minutes. Add 200 ml of beaten curd, stir and let it bubble for 3 minutes. The curd cools down and the spice kicks in and gives the gravy its creamy depth. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger paste and salt to taste. Stir well. Ginger not only adds zing but also helps tenderize the meat. Yup. Flavor and function, a true kitchen hero. Squeeze in juice of half a lemon. Acidity balances richness. Then add 4 sliced tomatoes. Cook until they turn mushy and form a saucy base. Think of this as your natural ketchup upgrade, only healthier. Time for freshness. Toss in a bunch of coriander leaves and a bunch of mint leaves. Stir, stir, stir. Now pour in 1 glass of hot water. Hot water only. If you add cold water, you'll shock the mutton and delay cooking. We don't want grumpy meat. Cover with the lid and switch to low flame. This is the patience test. Let the mutton slow cook for 30 minutes. Stir every 10 minutes so nothing sticks or burns. Slow cooking is what makes the meat juicy, tender, and packed with flavors. Remember, biryani is a marathon, not a sprint. By now, your mutton should be tender. But hey, not all goats are equal. Some meat may take longer. If it's still tough, Cook a little more with extra hot water. When you see the red oil and mutton fat floating on top, that's your sign of perfection. It's not just oil, it's liquid gold flavor. While the mutton is doing its thing, in another vessel, bring water to boil. Add a splash of oil, some salt, and then add 1 kilo of soaked jeera rice. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. It's like about 50 to 70% done. Pro tip: if the rice breaks when you press it but still has a bite, you nailed it. Drain the rice and keep aside some of the starchy water just in case. Now turn off the mutton flame, spread the rice evenly on the mutton masala. Pour half a cup of saffron milk. Watch those golden streaks run through the rice. It's an art in food form. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of ghee on top. Cover tightly. We are heading into dum territory. Place a tawa on the stove. Put the biryani vessel on the top. High flame for 5 minutes, then low flame for 15 minutes. This gentle steam locks the flavors together. Dum cooking is like a spa treatment for rice and meat. They come out relaxed and delicious. Moment of truth. Open the lid and wow, gently mix from bottom to top so the masala and rice marry beautifully. Pro tip: if you can wait 30 minutes before eating, the flavors will settle and taste even better. But honestly, who's waiting? Grab a plate, pair it with cool raita, a spicy salan, and dig in. And there you have it. A rich, aromatic, home-style mutton biryani, cooked slow, cooked with love, and guaranteed to make everyone at your table go for seconds. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't keep it a secret. Hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and most importantly, subscribe to A3M Kitchen for more delicious recipes from our home to yours. We've got plenty more coming your way, from quick everyday meals to festive specials that make your dining table shine. Until next time, this is A3M Kitchen signing off. Keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep spreading the love through food. See you in the next video.